Picture this. You are enjoying a luxurious ride on the famous Midnight Express, listening to the rhythmic clack of the tracks while pouring rain lashes against the windows. Suddenly, the train screeches to a violent halt. The conductor rushes into the dining car in a panic. Someone has deliberately cut the brake lines and sabotaged the engine, and the culprits are hiding in plain sight among the passengers. To find them, we have to look for the friction between a person's story and the physical world. Most lies fall apart not because of the words used, but because they contradict the environment around them. You are the lead detective. Take a look at the 3 passengers in the dining car right now. The chef claims he was just outside, standing in the storm to check the engine the moment the train failed. But look closer. Despite the downpour outside the window, his uniform is completely dry. When a person's physical state doesn't match the environment they claim to have just left, the alibi is over. You found your first suspect. Moving into the passenger car, the tension is rising. A woman yells that her purse was just stolen, and she's certain the thief is still within this specific row of seats. Carefully scan the 4 people sitting nearby. Look for any small detail that seems out of place for a passenger on a luxury train. Look at the young woman sitting directly across the aisle. While the rest of the car is in an uproar, she is sitting perfectly still with her eyes closed. Notice the way her winter coat is draped. It isn't resting naturally on her legs, it's tented upward, creating a large hollow space on her lap. She is using the heavy fabric as a shield, hiding the stolen purse in plain sight while she pretends to be asleep. Now, let's return to that chef. He's back at his workstation, insisting that he is a world-class culinary master, hired specifically to cater to the elite guests on this route. But take a look at his open laptop. He was just searching the internet to find out how long it takes to boil an egg. An expert's story is only as strong as their expertise. When a professional lacks the most basic knowledge of their trade, the entire identity is a fabrication. The situation takes a turn in the lounge car. The conductor is trying to radio for help, but something is actively jamming the signal, cutting the train off from the outside world. 3 passengers nearby are holding electronic devices. Only one of them is capable of causing this level of interference. We can rule out the first 2 quickly. A student's tablet is disconnected from any network, and the woman's phone is in airplane mode. Neither can transmit a signal. That leaves the man sitting in the corner. Look at how he's interacting with his device. He is staring intently at a screen that is completely black and unlit. He isn't reading, he's monitoring a jamming signal hidden behind a powered-down display. This conspiracy goes back further than the train ride. Someone also stole expensive silverware from the restaurant at the departure station earlier tonight. One suspect claimed she only entered the restaurant by accident, hoping to take a few photos for her social media followers. But the photo she took gives her away. She is wearing a polo shirt with the restaurant's exact logo on it. She didn't wander in, she was dressed as staff. Creating a lie is easy, but maintaining it is difficult. Eventually, a piece of physical evidence, like a uniform or a device, will clash with the narrative. The train finally limps into the station. On the crowded platform, the suspects try to disappear by mixing their luggage in with other passengers. The police recover a pink suitcase filled with stolen goods, but the luggage tag was torn off during the scramble. 3 different women step forward, each claiming the pink suitcase belongs to her. To find the thief, you have to find the connection. Examine the suitcase itself. It's covered in 3 very specific strawberry stickers. Now look at the suspects. Only the woman on the far right has a matching set of strawberry pins on her lapel. You've identified the true owner. With the bag matched and the suspects in custody, the Midnight Express case is finally closed. Solving a mystery isn't about grand intuition. It's about observing the tiny physical details that most people ignore. If you caught the imposters today, you have a sharp eye for detail. Let us know your score in the comments. Hit the like button and share this with a friend to see if they can survive the Midnight Express. See you in the next case.